Welcome to WEG ASEAN. We invite you to discover our logistics and operational hub for Southeast Asia, located in Shah Alam, Selangor, Malaysia. Selamat datang. Welcome to WEG Southeast Asia. Established in 2016, WEG Southeast Asia serves as both a logistics operation and an assembly center for WEG in the Asian region. We stock AC induction motors up to 185 kilowatts, assemble gear motors and gearboxes up to 18,000 Newton meters, and provide AC variable speed drives, soft starters, and generators up to 830 kilovolt amperes, all readily available for our local and ASEAN customers. Our Malaysia hub provides regional support to our commercial operations across Malaysia, Singapore, Thailand, Indonesia, Vietnam, and the Philippines. Thinking globally, acting locally. Our product solutions encompass industries such as manufacturing, food and beverage, cement, oil and gas, power generation, water and wastewater, as well as palm oil, all while maintaining our ethos of driving efficiency and sustainability. At WEG Southeast Asia, our commitment is unwavering to deliver excellence in every product and service.